Compare and contrast essays. Decoding the dual analysis. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most intriguing types of academic writing, the compare and contrast essay. This kind of essay isn't just about listing similarities and differences. It's about forming a coherent argument based on these comparisons. Stick around to learn how to master this. A compare and contrast essay does exactly what it sounds like. It takes two subjects and analyzes their similarities and their differences. Think of it as weighing two things on a balance scale. On one side, you have their similarities, and on the other, their differences. Your job? To examine and explain both. Remember, the key to a compelling essay is choosing two subjects that 1. Have clear similarities and differences. 2. Offer interesting insights when compared. It's not enough to pick two completely unrelated items. The magic happens when the subjects have just enough in common to make the contrast meaningful. There are primarily two structures to follow. 1. Block method. This is where you discuss all the points about subject A and then move on to all the points about subject B too. Point-by-point method. Here, you discuss one point of comparison, contrast at a time and apply it to both subject A and B before moving on to the next point. Choose the structure that helps your argument flow seamlessly. Your thesis statement is crucial. It needs to clearly state whether you'll focus more on the similarities, the differences, or both. A well-defined thesis gives direction to your essay and keeps you on track. Example: while both apples and oranges are fruit, they differ in taste, texture, and color, making each unique in its own way. Like any academic writing, your arguments need solid evidence. This could be facts, anecdotes, expert opinions, statistics. Ensure that your sources are credible and relevant to your subjects. Wrap up with a strong conclusion that 1. Reiterates the main points of comparison and contrast. 2. Reflects on the broader significance or implication of the comparisons. 3. Ends with a thought-provoking statement or question. Example: understanding the differences and similarities between apples and oranges not only gives insight into their individual characteristics but also enriches our appreciation of the diversity of fruits. And there you have it. The secrets to crafting an engaging compare and contrast essay. Remember, the goal isn't just to state the obvious but to delve deep and uncover insights that might not be apparent at first glance. Happy writing, and we hope this video has shed light on your academic writing journey.